The same way that the suffering of Musa alayhi salam was not because Allah hated him or because Allah had abandoned him, but because he was being prepared to lead Bani Israel out of Egypt. We are to see our pains in the same light. Allah has not hated us, nor has He abandoned us. مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. These are preparatory events to allow the Muslims to take center stage and to lead humanity. And the process of preparing Musa for leadership is the same process that will apply to us. Why do you think his name was repeated 183 times in the Quran? Hikmah, wisdom. What was the process of preparing him as a leader? Separated him from his mother, separating him from the people he loved. And we too will have to be in the process, separated from the people we love and the places we love, even if it happens to be Al-Aqsa. But Musa was reunited with the people he loved. And Allah has promised that we sooner or later will be reunited with the people and places we love.